Hello and welcome to Joomeo. In this video, we will guide you through taking your first steps on our platform. You will discover how to create an album and import your images, organize your Joomeo space, notably with the use of folders, share with your loved ones, create and share a slideshow, and lastly, use our photo lab. When you enter your Joomeo space for the first time, it is empty. You need to create an album to then upload photos and videos. And to create an album, click in the center of your space as prompted. In the window that opens, name your album, adjust the various settings available if you wish, then confirm. Your album is created and you can add photos and videos to it. To do this, choose the images on your computer, select them, then simply drag and drop them onto your album. Congratulations, you have just created your first album and added your first images. Now let's see how to organize your Joomeo space using folders. To facilitate sharing and viewing of your photos, the most effective method is to organize your albums into folders. Create a folder, name it, and drag the albums of your choice into it. There are several ways to create a folder. Choose the one that suits you best. As you can see, drag and drop works both in the left column tree structure and in the album grid. You can also drag elements from the album grid to the left column and vice versa. If you put an album in the wrong folder, no problem, open your folder, click on the album to move and drag it to the correct folder. So, you now know how to organize your albums into folders and how to create a tree structure. Now let's see how to share your photos with your loved ones. Joomeo is a powerful tool for sharing your photos and videos. You can manage the rights of your contacts with great finesse and easily control the distribution of your images. Here we will see how to share an album. First, enter the album of your choice. Select Share Album from the menu in the toolbar above the photo grid, or simply click the share icon. In the window that appears, click the Private Share button. When you share for the first time, your contact list is empty. You can create your first contact directly here. Enter the email address in the field provided. Click on Create a New Contact. Fill in the details and confirm. The new contact will automatically be added to your sharing list and to the contacts in your space. At this stage, you can repeat the same operation to add another guest by entering a new email address here. Carefully choose the permissions you grant to your guest, then click the Continue button to finalize your sharing. Finally, personalize the invitation message that will be sent to your contact, then click on the Share button. Each guest will receive an email containing a link to your album, their personal logins, and their personalized password. It's simple, fast, and secure. Let's now look at another very popular sharing method available to you on Joomeo, the slideshow. It is important to remember that slideshows are part of public sharing. That is to say that it is not necessary to identify yourself to access them. This type of link can be reshared by visitors on their own social networks or their website. Good. In fact, you can protect your slideshows with a password if you wish, but we will tell you about it in another tutorial. Let's concentrate on creating a slideshow. Go to your album and click on the share icon in the toolbar above your photos or in the menu next to them, and in the window that opens, choose Slideshow. This alert reminds you that you are activating a sharing link that can be accessed without prior identification. Simply click on Continue and then adjust the various options available to you here. we advise you to tick everything for the comfort of your visitors. Note that if you add music to your slideshow, automatic start will be deactivated to prevent the sound from starting without your visitors understanding why. Displaying the controls will allow visitors to move forwards or backwards more quickly if they wish. Add music to accompany the scrolling of your photos. If you don't yet have any music available on your Joomeo space, click on the plus button, then choose one or more MP3 files on your computer. Once you've finished importing, close the window and choose the track you want. In this section, you can define the size of the slideshow so that it can be integrated into a page on your blog or website. And finally, click here to access the screen where you can manage your visitors' rights to the images in your slideshow and more generally to the public link to your album. As a general rule, we strongly advise you not to tick the download files box. As for the other options, the choice is yours. If you want to protect your slideshow with a password and/or control its distribution with a validity date, this is the place to do it. That's it. All you have to do is copy the URL to share it on your social networks, by email, or on your website. We've just seen how Joomeo allows you to save and share your photos and videos, but did you know that Joomeo is also a photo lab? Indeed, we offer you a wide range of products ranging from photo prints to enlargements on canvas, alu de bond, or plexiglass, including magnificent personalized gifts. It is even possible to create photo books, but we'll see that in another video. For now, let's see how to order a photo print. If you wish, you can order a single print by clicking on the basket icon that appears on the photo when you move your mouse over it. To order all the photos in an album, click on the basket icon in the menu or simply on the icon in the toolbar at the top of the screen. Note that you can also order a selection of images. By default, the country of delivery is the one detected by Joomeo when you connect. However, you can choose another from the 11 available. Choose the product you wish to order, then the format. Check the number of copies per image and change it if necessary. Confirm, then enter the delivery details. Don't forget to include your telephone number, preferably your mobile number. Confirm, then choose your payment method. Enter your promotional code here if you have one, then click on the Pay button. Good. Now you know the main functions of your Joomeo space. The latter accompanies you on your mobile with our Android and iOS applications. You can flash the QR code that appears to install them immediately. Also, remember to install Joomeo Transfer on your PC or Mac to make automatic backups of all your images. Finally, for photographers who use Lightroom, we have developed a plugin that will allow you to export all your photos to Joomeo without leaving your favorite software. Take advantage of it. Remember that your photos and videos are precious memories. Save them regularly and remember to share them to keep them alive. Now, it's up to you, and we'll see you soon for new tutorials.